Hey, it's Ray the Video Guy here, and today is a very exciting day because I received a package last night, and we're going to take a quick look at it and open up the box right now, and then hopefully we'll get to test it out a little bit later. But right now I want to open up the box. This is something brandy spanking new from our friends over at MOVO. Now this here is the WMX-2, which is the newest version of their WMX series, and this is a wireless microphone, but wait till you see this. Now, I'm calling this an open box. Have to admit, I already opened it, but that'll make it a lot easier because I opened it in a live video and struggled trying to get all the little tabs open and everything else, but not this time. All right, so take a look at what comes in this box. So what this is a small, very small wireless microphone, and wait until you see the size of this little thing here. Okay. So first thing that you get, and this is the important part, this is the charging box right there. And inside there, we've got our microphones. You just press the little button here, and that opens it up. And take a look at these things. Look how tiny these things are. These things, I mean, the WMX-1 was a very, very small wireless microphone set. This makes that look gargantuan. I mean, look at the size of these things. Tiny. I mean, they fit right in the palm of your hand like nothing. And the great thing about this is actually a charging case. So what that means is it's not just a case to hold your units, it actually charges them up. And as you can see, there's right there, you can see the little charging port there. And that way you don't have to carry on AA batteries or 9-volt batteries. And quite honestly, this is about the size of a 9-volt battery, so that would make it pretty tough. So you put it in here to charge, and what's great about this is the case actually has a battery in it as well. So you charge up the case and the units, and then when you're on the road, if your units start to run out of battery power, put them in the case. Even if you're not plugged into the wall, the case will charge the actual units. Now this one here has 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, so we can actually have multiple people talking. This is the receiver here. It just plugs into the bottom of your iPhone. And the 2 units just are used as normal transmitters. You can see you plug in your microphone into the top there. But another feature of this particular unit is there's actually a built-in microphone on here. So even if you don't have a lapel mic, you can actually use this as a microphone. You could put it somewhere in your pocket or near you, and it actually has a microphone on there. Don't know what the quality of that will be. We're going to test that out and see. But overall, very, very cool. In addition to the case and the actual units, we also have a few other items in here, of course. We've got our manuals and our stickers that usually come with this. But it comes here with a nice bag. Now this bag will actually fit the entire charging case in there, so you can put that inside here and carry the entire thing with you. But it also comes with a bunch of other goodies inside of here as well. You've got your wires and your microphones. You've got a variety of furry muffs for it, and you've got the traditional wind muffs on there as well. And if we get back in here, you can see we've got here are the muffs. We've also got the alligator clips, of course, and here's the other microphone. And we got this little counterweight here, which we're going to take a look at as well, and we'll show you what that does. And also in here, pull this out, we've got your charging cord as well as your traditional muffs there. So you can make sure if you're out in the windy area, hopefully it's not going to be too bad, right? And here's a close-up of one of the wind muffs that you can put on the unit as well. So you can actually put that on the unit and really make a big difference if you're out in a windy situation. So overall, this thing is looking very, very cool. We're going to test this out. Supposedly it will go to, I think it says 382 feet, which is pretty amazing. I think the WMX-1 listed a much shorter distance, but actually did work in a much longer distance than they rated it for. So we probably won't be able to test 300 and plus feet, but we'll be able to test out 50 or 100 feet and just make sure it works at that. Quite honestly, I'm not sure who's going to be 300 feet away unless you're doing something really special, but we're going to test that out, see how it works, and we'll do that in another video. But I just wanted to go through here, show you what comes in the box, show you some of the cool features in this, because with the charging case, the fact that it's so incredibly small and it's got microphones built into the transmitters themselves, as well as the lapel mics, you've really got some great options there. We're going to test all of that out in a later video, so keep your eyes peeled for that, and we'll see you guys next time.